Let's learn some selective vocabulary related to animals, means jantu. Number 1, cow. In Hindi, cow, इसका अर्थ गाय. Number 2, buffalo. Buffalo, भैंस. 3, camel. Camel, ऊंट. 4th, cat. Cat, बिल्ली. 5th, giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe. 6th, deer. Deer, हिरण. 7th, dog. Dog, कुत्ता. 8th, donkey. Donkey, गधा. 9th, elephant. Elephant, हाथी. 10th, bull. Bull, सांड. Number 11, goat. Goat, बकरी. Number 12, horse. Horse, घोड़ा. Number 13, lion. Lion, शेर. Number 14, monkey. Monkey, बंदर. Number 15, rabbit. Rabbit, खरगोश. 16th, rat. Rat, चूहा. 17th, sheep. Sheep, भेड़. 18th, tiger. Tiger, चीता. Number 19, yak. Yak, yak. Number 20, zebra. Zebra, zebra.